Pecos County in southwestern Texas until 7:15 p.m. Central Time. At 6:23 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 17 miles southwest of Fort Stockton, moving southeast at 5 miles an hour. Golf ball-sized hail was reported around 6:15 p.m. Central Time near Belding. Hazard, tennis ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sierra Madera. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roads